beautiful souls. Thank you so much for joining. It's Wednesday, and we are exploring rest and what it looks like in our bodies. So today we're really going to focus on the body and specifically how to help the nervous system to feel safe with rest. Because even when our mind says, I want to slow down, I'm so tired, sometimes our body might still feel tense or guarded. So we really want to start shifting from pushing through things in our lives and really shift to deeply restoring ourselves and creating that safe, restful space. Not just lounging on the couch while we're scrolling through our phones, but actual nervous system reset. So we often confuse numbing ourselves with resting. Rest restores our bodies, and numbing actually avoids. So here are some signs that your body needs real rest. You might feel tension, tightness in your jaw, shallow breathing. You might feel emotionally reactive. You might be craving silence, but really resisting stillness. So I want to invite you to do a 3-minute body-based ritual together. And you can do this while you're seated or laying down. I always find it helpful to close my eyes to just sort of calm and center myself. So go ahead and close your eyes if that feels good to you. And you're going to take one hand on your heart. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do. And you're going to take your other hand and put it on your belly and just start noticing your breath moving through your body. Just nice and calm. Gentle breath. And what we're going to do is inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and then exhale for 6. So let's go ahead and inhale 4 seconds. Hold for 2, and exhale for 6. We're going to do this 2 more times. So inhale for 4, hold for 2, and exhale for 6. One more time. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, and exhale for 6. Great job. You probably feel a bit of a reset already. So anytime you do that, do it for 3 rounds. This is going to signal to your parasympathetic nervous system that it's safe to rest. We can just relax into it. Another thing that you can do is just gently sway your shoulders or rock your body. That repetitive rhythmic movement really helps to calm the vagus nerve and eases our tension. Another thought that you could do is take a nice soft blanket and just wrap it around yourself. That creates such a great feeling of safety and calm. Or you can take a warm mug of tea, coffee, whatever your preferred warm beverage, hot chocolate, so yummy, and just press that gently into your chest, and that is also going to signal safety. So tonight, I really invite you to choose one restful thing for yourself, just for you, not for performance, not for anybody else, not for perfection. There's no judgment here. Anything that really helps you to feel restful and safe. And just notice how even a few minutes of doing something for yourself that's restful and safe can really help to shift your state. Your body is your home, so let it know that you're listening. Let it know that it's safe. And on Friday, we're going to explore rest as a spiritual practice, one that brings us home to our soul. I can't wait to see you there. Again, check the link in the bio if you would like to print out those free downloadable pages for reflection. They really help you to dig a little bit deeper and get more out of these sessions. So that's available for you if you would like. And I will see you Friday for a soulful rest ritual. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. Blessings.